All right, guys, let's quickly go over today's lines in the sand for the German Bund, the ES, and crude oil. German Bund's going to be opening in about 18 minutes, so I want to do that first and get this up so that you guys can see what's going on. Got the German Bund up on the screen right now, and you see we've got up here. You know what? Let me make this a little wider on the screen here, so that you can see those numbers. There we go. Okay, so right up here, got a ton of shorts that are up there. I got here, got this institutional value area right here, and then a boatload of longs right underneath it. So this is going to be the key area right in here, from 43 down to 39. So keep a close eye on that. And then we've got have another institutional value area down here, which will be coming off at the end of today. And then we've got a bunch of longs down here and some shorts down here. So those are the lines in the sand for the German Bund. For the ES, here's the ES. So we have a ton of both buying and selling up there, up at 52.5. So that's going to be a big time area to watch. Got a lot of longs that are stuck right here, and shorts here, and you get the idea. Remember that the purple is extreme short positions. The red is just like, I mean, enough to warrant a mark on the chart, but not extreme like these are. And if this green right here was dark green, that would be extreme long positions. So those are the lines in the sand for the ES, and you can see that the 33 has gone flat. So uh, I'm not going to make a prediction, but I think we're probably going to move lower again today. It is Friday, so Fridays have a tendency of being a little slow. All right, so here's crude oil, and you can see we've got a value area right up here, about 70, 44.70, and then long, short, long. So still a ton of longs in this market. So I think that we had a decent sized pop today of about $1, but I expect this thing to take out its most recent lows. So we'll see what happens. But those are all the lines in the sand for crude, and you can see as I scroll back here, and the reason it's candlesticks is because it couldn't fit all of the data on here on the footprint. But you could see all those lines in the sand really did pretty well. So let me scrunch this up a little bit. Now it goes to the profile. And if I do this a little bit and this a little bit, there, now we get that. So those are the lines in the sand for crude. Let's see here. Let me quickly go through what the lines in the sand did today on the ES. I mean, look at that. It doesn't get any better than that, guys. I mean, that's some beautiful stuff right there. You gotta love it. I'm telling you, if you're not using the footprint, you are putting yourself at a major disadvantage, and you need everything that you can get your hands on to get that edge. Trading is not difficult, but it's hard. You understand what I'm saying? So keep that in mind. And this was the Bund from yesterday. I went over in one of the other videos, I went over what happened right back here, right? You had these stacked shorts right here. I mean, a boatload. They couldn't get it to go down. They came down, they tested it again, still could not get it to go down. So that was a huge sign. You know, once you tested back down here, uh, it was off to the races. You've got, like I said, on the Bund, keep an eye on this area right in here because this is going to be key because you have a institutional value area and a ton of longs that came on the board there. All right, so we'll see how this thing opens up, and I will. I got my buddy this weekend, my grandson, so um, more than likely, I think if I get a few good trades in the Bund under my belt in the early session, I'm probably going to be done because I want to be fresh for him tomorrow. Maybe do some fishing. All right, later.